Now, I don't know about you, but for me, editing takes the longest out of my entire YouTube video creation process. I literally used to take about 14 hours to edit my videos, but with Descript, that has shortened to just 2 hours. So I am now able to fully edit my video in just 2 hours while keeping the quality really high and making the video super valuable. Now, in this video, I want to show you exactly how I use Descript to edit my low effort videos so that it can still rank and still gain thousands of views for my channel. So if this sounds good to you, then stick around because I'm going to jump into my screen right now and show you all of the tips that I have learned. All right, now heading over into my Descript dashboard. So as you can see here, this is how it's going to look once you open your dashboard. So you'll see that I already have a couple of files uploaded here. Now what you're going to do is you're simply going to go ahead and say new project, and you're going to select the video project. All right. Now from here, Descript is going to allow you to upload a video, or you can also go ahead and record a video directly in Descript if you want to. Now, you're simply going to click here and upload your video, but I have already done that. So instead, I'm going to move over to the video that I've already uploaded. As you can see, this is one of the video projects that I have uploaded. Now, as soon as you click the upload button and upload your video, Descript is going to transcribe your video. Now, what that means is it's going to give you this text here on the left-hand side. And trust me, this is where the magic happens. So, as you can see, I have my entire video over here. So if I click over here, I can actually play the video. All right, YouTube fam. So you may have heard that So literally as the video plays, you'll see that it is going, alongside the text. Now what this means is you are going to be able to use this text part to actually edit your video, which is awesome because you don't have to worry about, looking at the different video clips. You can literally look at your text and from here edit your video. Now, let me show you exactly how this works. When you open the Underload tab over here, you'll see that Descript has a few functionalities that is absolutely incredible for saving time. So first of all, Descript allows you to remove any filler words. So you can simply click on there and you'll see that Descript has now went and found some of the filler words in my video. So you can see here it classifies, so there's a hyper because I said it twice. So it's identified that. When we go further, it's also a filler word. So I now have the option to go and click find all filler words, and I can tell it to remove or delete all of these filler words that I don't want. Okay, so that's one of the neat features that you can use if you are prone to using filler words and you maybe say and a lot. This is a game changer. All right, but let me quickly go and see the other features. So as you can see back in the Underload tab, you'll also see that it has the option for you to shorten your word gaps. Word gaps are these dots over here. So it's the places where you take a break during your video. Now, what Descript allows you to do is you can simply click on shorten word gaps, and you can say that you want Descript to shorten all of these gaps. So as you can see, there's a 10-second gap, there's an almost 5-second gap, and so on. So what Descript now is going to do, if you click on shorten, these fillers, it's going to shorten all of the gaps to just 1 second, but you can adjust this to more or less if you want. So you can make it a half a second, or you can make it 2 seconds if you want. But I'm just going to go ahead and click on here so it shortens all of my gaps. Now what you'll see has happened is the gaps are now very shortened, as you can see there. So it's very, very short now. Now, what I like to do is, first and foremost, once I start editing my video, I like to go and identify the parts of my video that I repeated. Now, I like to do this manually. You can actually use a Descript. I believe there's a feature for this. You can say remove retakes. So Descript goes and looks to see if you've mentioned a certain sentence twice, and it goes and removes the one part, right? But I like to do this manually. So what I'll do is I'm going to go ahead and watch my video, and I'm going to delete the parts that I don't want. I use a little trick over here, and I actually look at the text, not the video itself. So I can see here that I said, all right, YouTube fam, so you may have heard, but now I know that I repeated that part. So here again, all right, fam, so you may have heard. So now I know that I repeated that part, and I can simply go ahead and select the part that I want to delete. So I can go and highlight it like so. And let me show you what happens. So here's the timeline of the video, right? Let's not select this first. So here's the timeline. Now what happens when I go and select this part and say delete, it deletes the portion of the video. So literally, if you delete the paragraph or the sentence, it actually deletes the clip in the video, and voila, there the clip is no more. So it makes it so much easier for you to actually edit your videos without having to constantly rewatch your video all the time. So what I'll do now is I'm going to go ahead and look through the entire video to find the places where I repeated stuff or the sections that I don't want. And I'm simply going to go ahead and delete those. All right, but I'm not going to actually do this now because I need to show you how all the rest of the stuff works. Okay, now once I've actually went ahead and deleted the sections that I don't want, then I can go ahead and move on to the second step that I usually do, which is to go and add text, add B-roll, add all of that good stuff. Now, what I love about Descript, again, this entire tool is amazing, but this is one of the main features that I love. And it's the fact that you can also go and edit the text, use the text to go and add some B-roll, to add GIFs, to add additional text on top of the video, and so forth. So let me show you an example. If we look at this sentence right over here, I'm going to play it for you. All right, YouTube fam. So you may have heard that low effort and more minimalistic types of videos are taking over YouTube right now. So one of the things that I can do in this portion of the videos is maybe I want to go ahead and add the text on screen for low effort video. So I can now simply go ahead and highlight the low effort part, and I can say add layer. Now what's going to happen is I can here choose if I want text to be added on top of this video, if I maybe want an additional video, if I want a GIF, and so on. So let's say, for example, I want to add a GIF here. Let's say lazy. Now with this plan, this Descript plan that I have the hobbyist plan, which is under $20 per month, which in my opinion is incredibly valuable. You can go ahead and I think you have about 10 GIFs that they give you for each term that you search. So let's say I want to use this one on top. Now what's going to happen is it's actually going to insert the GIF where the low effort part of the video is. Now I can just expand this and make it the full video. So this is what's going to happen. Let me play it again. All right, YouTube fam. So you may have heard that low effort and more minimalistic type. So as you can see, it has now inserted the GIF on top of this video by me simply selecting the text, going and adding a layer. Now I can do the same with text, I can do the same with additional video, I can do the same with images. So let me do another example. Let's say, for example, I want this minimalistic to have a word. So I'm going to highlight the word minimalistic on the left hand side. I'm going to say add a layer. I'm going to say text. And over here I can go and type in minimalistic. I can go and change the font. So let's say, for example, I wanted Noto Sans. I can make it bigger. So here I can make it 200. There it's bigger. I can even make it bold. And now from here, I can simply go and adjust this. So I can drag it. Let's make it 100 to see if it's better. There we go. Okay, so 200 is maybe a bit too big. But I can go and add this word over here, and I can even come and add special effects to this word. So I can add a shadow there to make it stand out more, or I can do an animation where it comes in flying or anything like that. So as you can see, your options are really endless. Plus, you can also go ahead and add audio if you want to, and I think that's absolutely incredible. So let's say here where I'm talking about minimalistic again, I can add another layer. So let's say I want a whoosh sound to be there once people see the minimalistic. I can go and say add layer again, and I can simply go and add, where is it? Music or sound effects. Now I'll look for a sound effect for this specific thing, and I'm gonna say whoosh. So let's say whoosh, and here it gives different sounds so we can listen to it. So let's choose that one, but there are different ones as well, and I can add it simply like that. Now that the sound has been imported, you can see it here on the timeline. Oh, and by the way, you can hide the timeline if you don't want to see it the whole time. I just like having it there so that I can see my progress and make sure that everything did in fact load right. But let's quickly look at how the video looks and sounds now. All right, YouTube fam. So you may have heard that low effort and more minimalistic types of videos are taking over YouTube right now. Alright, so to me the sound is just a bit too hard of the whoosh sound, so I'm simply going to go ahead and actually make it softer. So what I can do is I can go onto my timeline, I can click on the sound, and I can make the audio softer. So let's make it softer like this. Let's see if I make it around 2. More minimalistic types of... Still too loud, so I can make it even softer. Let's make it around 17. More minimalistic types. So as you can see, that has significantly decreased the sound. As you start to get used to this video editor, you'll realize how easy it actually is to use it. You're basically gonna edit your entire video using this text right over here, and it makes it so much easier, because for me personally, I like seeing the words that I say, and so then I can delete portions of the video and I don't have to constantly watch the entire video to know where I need to delete stuff. Plus, you also have all of these additional features. You can even, let's see what else is there. So let's say I want to add another layer. So I can simply go out, I can upload my own files over here. I can add a recording. So if I quickly want to record my screen and add that, I can add captions, which is incredible for shorts. So if I want to, let's say, for example, just with that portion, add captions, I can simply go and let's make this smaller though. Let's make it around 100. So let's say I want to add the captions for this portion of the video or another portion. Now you'll see what happens, and I can customize this. So I can go and choose a different color that suits me. I can even put in my own color code, but let's see how this looks. Your videos still need to be hyper valuable. It literally just puts the captions where I want it, or you can make it the entire video. It's up to you. Now let's look at some more stuff. I'm just gonna highlight random words here, but you know where you're going to put all of your stuff. So you can put placeholder. So if you're not sure what image you want to put there, you can just put a placeholder there, so you know later on that you still want to put something in there. You can add shapes, videos, GIFs, backgrounds. You can add illustrations. You can add stock images. You can even generate an image. Let's say, for example, I want to, this word says YouTube. So let's say YouTube, or let's say camera. Camera, recording, video. Let's see what it pops up. This is probably going to be a terrible image because I didn't give it a good prompt, but just to give you an idea. So as you can see here, it generated some images for me, so I can simply go and click it, and voila, there I have that. If I wanted to do that, I could. So I could move it around probably. Let's see if I can. There we go. So something like that. I'm not going to do that, but This is just to give you an idea. So at the end of the day, you can take your video from looking very plain to looking amazing in a short amount of time. Okay, now once you're ready to actually export this video, this is also super easy. So all that you'll have to do is you can simply go and say publish. So you'll see that I always set it to max. With the plan that I'm on, which is the hobbyist plan, I can export only up until 1080p. I believe if you get the second plan, I can't remember the exact name. Let's quickly check. So here is the plan. So as you can see, it's the creator plan, the hobbyist plan, and the business plan. Now I am on the monthly plan, so that brings my price up to $19. But I mean, $19 for all of this, it's super affordable. And the great thing is on the plan that I'm on, you can upload, I believe, 10 hours of videos. So I'm not going to get through all of that in my month because I post around 4 videos per month and then sometimes shorts as well. So that's more than enough for me, and that should be more than enough for you as well. But if you really want 4K, you could always do the creator one, which then allows you to export in 4K, and it also gives you 30 hours of video. But anyway, let's go back to the exporting. So as you can see, I'm selecting max. I can say export here. Max, like I said, quality can be high. My audio, I usually leave that as is because Descript knows what it's doing when it comes to those kinds of things. The composition I leave as is. And then I can simply just click export and it's going to export the video for me. How easy is that? Now, if you'd like to try Descript for yourself, I do have an affiliate link in my description. You can grab Descript and see if it works for you. It is an incredible, incredible tool. Now, if you do get Descript through my affiliate link, I will be getting a small commission at no additional cost to you. So thank you so much if you decide to use my affiliate link. I appreciate it so much. But I really hope you found this valuable and that you see the potential that Descript has to help you minimize the amount of time it's going to take you to edit your videos so that you can get your videos out there faster and you don't have to exhaust yourself by spending 10+ hours editing your videos anymore. This is the answer, my friends, and I hope you're going to use it. Now, if you'd like to learn how I create low effort YouTube videos that still manage to get me thousands of views, I created a video all about it right over here. As always, I hope you enjoyed this video and I'll see you in the next one. Bye for now.